So we're going to play with this little screw right here, that one, and not lose my hand, but we're going to turn it in. Listen to the engine. Turn it out. It's almost to install. Let's turn it up a bit. Ah, hear that? I think that's a little better, but anyway, this is the RPM adjustment. This was about halfway. I turned it back one, and this I turned in a little bit, but shined her up a bit. This is a late 31, so we have this. This is an extra inline gas valve, I'm guessing, to mate up with this hose. Ordinarily you'd have a little sediment bowl on the side here, but I'm missing a little bit. Maybe just a little. Gotta clear that fan, but anyway, I don't know if this is a good sounding A or not. But anyway, adios.